Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to kickstart your journey in affiliate marketing, today's video is for you. We're diving into how to acquire an audience for your affiliate marketing efforts and why having a mentor can make all the difference. Let's get started. First off, let's quickly recap what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. But the key to success? An engaged audience who trusts your recommendations. So, how do you build that audience? Here are some effective strategies to grow your audience. Identify your niche. Find a specific area you're passionate about and focus your content on it. This helps attract a targeted audience interested in that niche. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, quality content is key. Educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube are powerful tools for building an audience. Engage with your followers and share valuable content consistently. Start building an email list from day one. Offer a lead magnet, like an ebook or exclusive tips, to entice people to subscribe. This creates a direct line of communication. Participate in forums or groups related to your niche. This helps position you as an expert and allows you to share your content organically. Now, let's talk about the importance of having an affiliate marketing mentor. A mentor can provide guidance. They can help you navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing and avoid common pitfalls. Learning from someone who's been through the process can save you time and effort. They can provide insights that you might not find in online courses or articles. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when you're just starting. A mentor can help keep you on track and encourage you to reach your goals. Mentors often have established networks, giving you access to valuable connections in the affiliate marketing space. So, whether you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey or looking to refine your strategy, remember that building an audience takes time and effort. Partnering with a mentor can significantly enhance your learning curve and help you achieve your goals faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on affiliate marketing. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.